Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 17th of February 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, France will set criteria that will favor renewable energy equipment manufactured in France and the rest of the European Union countries in the upcoming auctions for offshore wind farms in order to cope with the flood of Chinese equipment, sometimes under, quote, unfair conditions. This was confirmed by the Minister of Industry and Energy, Marc Ferracchi, during the laying of the first stone for the extension of the Siemens Gamesa Group's wind power equipment factory in Le Havre, which is to receive €170 million in public support. Insufficient grid capacity limited the volume of savings accruing to Irish households from the use of renewable energy sources to generate electricity last year, Wind Energy Ireland has said, amid a slight decline in the proportion of electricity generated through renewables. Some 34% of the Republic's and Northern Ireland's electricity demands were met from renewable sources like wind turbines last year, a new report from the industry lobby group published on Monday revealed. A key legislative proposal aimed at strengthening Virginia's offshore wind industry advanced to the Senate Finance and Appropriations Committee by an 11-4 vote on Monday, amid the Trump administration's attempts to downsize federal support. House Bill 1616, the Offshore Wind Industry Workforce Program and Fund, is designed to bridge the skills gap in the sector by directing the Virginia Department of Energy to establish specialized training programs within the state. Aquila Capital, an asset manager specializing in sustainable real asset investments, announces the launch of the Aquila Capital Energy Transition Fund 1. The fund is supported by Commerzbank as a shareholder and starts with an investment of €50 million in a ready-to-build, grid-connected battery storage system in Germany. The fund's first investment underlines Aquila Capital's commitment to creating added value from the increasing demand for grid flexibility. Siemens Gamesa has confirmed it will invest €200 million to expand its Le Havre offshore wind blade manufacturing facility in northern France. The company said construction would be finalized next year, followed by a production ramp up at the site, first established in 2022. The focus of the enlarged factory will be production of 115-meter-long blades for 14-megawatt turbines, for which Siemens Gamesa says it has more than 16 gigawatts worth of firm orders. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.